Hello awesome people, welcome back in a new video. In this video I'll show you how to add drop caps in WordPress. So let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard. You can do it for the post and page in same way I will show you for the post. And after watching this video you can do it for the post or page in same way. So hover over on post and click on add post. Very first I have to give the post title here. This is the post title. And then I have to add the paragraph or content. Maybe you know this site provide dummy content. Then just paste here, and I want to add drop cap. Drop cap means the first letter will show larger. So select this text. Then from the right side you have to ensure that this block tab is selected. So select this block tab and just scroll down or just go below. Then you can see typography. Click on this three dot. Then very last you can see drop cap. Click on it, and drop cap you have to enable this toggle button. You can see the first letter has been large. Okay, if you want to add more paragraph then you can do it same way. Okay, let's do it. Just copy it. Then again add a new paragraph here, and I want to give for here the drop cap. So again go to the typography and drop cap, enable it and publish it. Visit the post. Yes, you can see the drop cap has been added successfully. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.